Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to plan your Instagram feed using just Canva. No need for any complicated planning or scheduling apps. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize your content, visualize your feed, and stay ahead on your Instagram game, all from one simple platform you might already be using. So let's dive right in and make your social media workflow a whole lot easier. First things first, we're starting inside Canva. Go ahead and open it up and head over to the Projects section. Think of projects like your personal filing cabinet. It's where everything you've been working on gets stored. If you haven't used this before, don't worry, you'll see all your past designs, and if you want to be expertly organized, you can create folders just like you would on your desktop. For example, you might have one folder for Instagram, another for stories, maybe even one for Reels teasers. This little bit of organization at the very start can save you so much time later on. Trust me, hunting for random graphics scattered everywhere is no fun. Creating folders lets you keep all your posts neatly arranged so you always know where to find them when it's time to plan your feed. Once you've got your folders set up, take a look at the top left corner of your Canva dashboard. There's a menu button up there, give that a click. This is like opening the door to all of Canva's behind-the-scenes features. You're going to scroll down and find something called Content Planner. This is where the magic really happens for planning your Instagram feed. Now, a lot of people skip this step because they think Canva is just for designing, but the Content Planner feature honestly makes it so much more than that. Inside Canva's Content Planner, you'll see a simple calendar view. This is where you can drag and drop your completed designs onto specific days, the exact dates you want your post to go live. Even if you're not scheduling things to post automatically, placing your designs on this calendar gives you an at-a-glance overview of your entire upcoming feed. It's kind of like seeing the week's meals laid out rather than scrambling every day to figure out what to cook. You can spot any gaps, make sure your color schemes and messaging flow naturally, and easily swap things around as needed. And if you're someone who likes to jot down reminders or ideas, you can actually add notes here for yourself. Maybe you want to remember to post about an event on a certain day or leave yourself a little to-do, like don't forget to write that caption. It's all in one place, which keeps you focused and prevents those last-minute panics. What I love most about using Canva for this, rather than some third-party planning app, is that you don't have to constantly juggle between different accounts or browsers. Everything from brainstorming to design to planning is streamlined, and you don't have to upload the same image twice or keep switching tabs. That simplicity can save you a ton of mental energy. So to sum up, all you have to do is organize your content in Canva projects, open up the menu to access the content planner, and use it to visually map out your Instagram feed at your own pace, with no need for extra subscription fees or complicated integrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Instagram planning tips, leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. I've got plenty of Canva tips and social media tricks coming your way.